Students, I hope all you are good and fit and fine. Today I am here with you to tell a small story. Okay, so let's start. The name of our story is Birbal the Wise. Did you know who is Birbal and who is Akbar? Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. See in this picture. Okay. And who is Birbal? Birbal or Raja Birbal was a Hindu advisor and main commander of the army in the court of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. He is mostly known in the Indian subcontinent for the folk tales which focus on his wit. Birbal was appointed by Akbar as a minister and used to be a poet and singer. See, this is Birbal. Okay, so now let's start our story. Once emperor Akbar was not in a very good mood. Birbal, his most intelligent minister means an important person in a king's court, tired to cheer means make happy him up. However, the emperor became very angry and ordered Birbal to leave the palace forever. Then, soon afterwards, Akbar realized his mistakes. Then what's happened? He was sad. He missed his favorite minister. He sent out messengers. Messengers means people who carry messages to find Birbal and bring him back to the palace. But Birbal could not be found anywhere. Then what happened? The emperor now needed someone to take Birbal's place. The new minister had to be as intelligent as Birbal. So he called all the wise men of the city to his court to test them. But none of them was found to be good enough. See in this picture, this is the court of Akbar. Okay. Next, what happened? One day a teacher and his two students came to the royal court. The teacher was dressed in the dirty, torn clothes, but his students declared means, what is the meaning of declared? Said very strongly and clearly that he was more intelligent and witty. Witty means clever and quick to reply than Birbal. See in this picture, this is the teacher, his students and Emperor Akbar. Okay. Then what happened? Akbar asked his minister to test the teacher's wisdom. Wisdom means the quality of being wise. The teacher accepted the challenge and said, I do not claim to be wise. Even then, I am ready for the test. See what happened? The ministers started asking him questions and he answered him wisely. So the first question, what is the first question? Who is the greatest emperor on earth? So the teacher replied, Emperor Akbar, of course. Second question is, what is the most beautiful sound? The answer is a baby's laughter. Then next question, what travels faster than the wind? The teacher's answer is light. Next question, what is the sweetest thing on earth? The teacher's answer is honey. Now it was Akbar's turn to question him. Akbar's question is, who or what is the most dangerous enemy of a king? The teacher's answer is his bad temper. Okay. Akbar was happy with the teacher's answer. He decided to take him a minister in his court. However, Akbar wanted to test him with one last question. So what is the last question, bachcho? The last question is, can you perform miracles? Miracles means, what is the meaning of miracles? Some good happenings that cannot be explained. Akbar asked this question. So the answer is, the teacher replied, why not? Then Akbar asked, then sir, can you bring back my minister Birbal? Yes, of course, that is very easy. See in this picture. With these words, the teacher pulled off his false braid and hair. He quickly removed his dirty clothes. He was Birbal himself. See, this is Birbal. And this is Akbar. Birbal, it is you. Emperor Akbar exclaimed with surprise. I should have known. So students, this is the end of the story. I hope you all are like this. Now, you all have to write what is the moral of this story in your copy. Okay? Thank you.